Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Play Services version unusable. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to go into the settings, and you simply need to go into the app management, and you simply need to search in app list, that is Google Play Services. Okay, and then you need to click on storage and cache. The first step, you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open Play Store and search here Google Play Services, and then you need to update from here, update, that is Google Play Services. Once you've done that, your issue will be resolved. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.